Hello students, welcome to Shrav's classes. Today we will be solving some IIT JAM Chemistry questions from this year, that is 2018. We have question number 21 in hand. The major product formed in the following reaction is, and we have two compounds given to us, and we have to heat them in order to get our answer. And we have to choose from these four options. So starting with the compound we have in hand, this is compound 1. This is the other compound we add to it, CO2CH3. CO2CH3 present here. Then we heat it. So upon heating, this bond comes over here, this bond comes over here, and this bond comes over here. So what we get is a structure which looks like this compound with this part added. So this is the part which gets added. This bond is this one, and this bond is this one, and we have a CO2CH3 and a CO2CH3 here. So this is basically the structure. With a bridge here and CO2CH3 and CO2CH3 present here. So this is the end product, and we know that end products are favored more over exoproduct due to less steric hindrance and hence higher stability. With respect to the exoproducts. So our answer will be option number C. Moving on to the next question we have.